Good morning, everyone. This is our Mess International School. Today is our African Dress Day. We just want the students to know the various ethnic groups, how they dress, and how they behave, and the reason why they migrated from where they were. So we are just dressing the way every ethnic group dress according to where they come from.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. The name is Mr. Piamenta and this is Int'l Multimedia. Today here on the channel I am you heard from them, Names International School. This is one of the private schools here in Takwa. It's specifically at Takwa, Jerusalem. And today, Int'l Multimedia, we find ourselves here at yet another exciting program here in the school. They call this program African Dress Day. So that's how they call it. And I have some few learners here whose adornment are on point. And I want to talk to them, have a chat with them, and listen to what they have to say about this program. Hello, what's your name? Please come a bit closer. What's your name? Sweetie Lina Mesa. Oh, Sweetie Lina is your name. Or you added it? Oh, okay. What's happening here in the school today?
We are having
African Wear Day. Okay, so you are in Ghana, and Ghana is one of the African countries. So which part of Ghana are you dressed in today? Benzimes. All right. So can you give me some few towns that are Enzima towns in Ghana? Nkrofo, Princess Town, Axim, and Isiama. Okay, so you heard it from her right away. I have another lovely learner here. Can you please come this way? Please, what's your name? Florence Anderson. Ebembe. Lovely. I like the last name. The Ebembe. I like that. Please, which Ghanaian tribe are you dressed in today? You are also representing the Eziles. Let me ask you this question. Have you been to your hometown before? Yes. So what is your hometown? Isiama. Oh, okay. Let me ask you this. Can you speak a little bit of Ezima? Let's go. A little bit louder. Lovely. Into what say into us what friend or Ekuba. You can come to my translate time or into no Samanian. But you're Ginapen. Which class are you? I mean Ginapen. Which class are you? Form 2. So now we say basic what? 9. Right. Basic 9. Okay, thank you. Basic 8. That's very true. Thank you very much for coming to the channel. And the channel's name is Int'l Multimedia. Can you tell people to do something to the channel? What do you say? A little bit louder so that they can hear you. All right. Her voice is very low, but she's actually telling you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for coming. I have this lovely one too. Hey, you are looking. Give me a 360. Give me 360. Give me 360. Give me 360. Lovely. What's up, man? Which tribe are you representing today? The Akans. Okay, Akan is a larger clan, right? We have the Ashantis who are the P speaking. We have the Fanti, we have the Nzemes, we have the Sefi, we have the Wases, and the Hunters, and so on and so forth. Which part of the Akans are you representing today in the program? The Wasa people. Wow, that's very good. So Wasa, which part of Wasa are you coming from? Wasa Simpa. And say, please, my subscribers, you might not know that there is some sort of people who belong to the Akan group of families called the Wasel. They are in the western region of Ghana, specifically Takwa and its environs. That is where our lovely lady is representing today. Wasa Simpa. Wasa Simpa. It's that language spoken is similar to Twi, but there are some sort of special accent added to that. All right, so thank you very much for coming to the channel. We wish to see you here again another time. Bye-bye.
I'm representing Accra, specifically the WhatsApp people.
Inti, my name is Awasa for more can then Saka. Okay, that's lovely. Inti, now, what's the one of the favorite food by the WhatsApp people? Edua. Okay, Sakani Abengwan. All right, thank you very much. Okay, give me two, give me two, give me two, give me two. All right, thank you very much.
Hi, this is Agogo Suche. I'm here to represent the Accra, specifically the WhatsApp.
Lady, how are you? What's your name? You said you are Abba Felisa. Oh, Abba Felisa. Do you know you are looking gorgeous this morning? Do you know that? You are looking very beautiful. Abba, your head teacher told me that there is African dress day in your school. Is that true? Is that why you are dressed like this? And which people are you representing? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? What Tebrebe? Oh, it means you are representing the WhatsApp people. Give me two like that. Okay, lovely. See you. Hello, my lovely lady. How are you? You are very fine, right? You are in Ames International School, right? Which people are you representing today? The fancy people. All right. Yeshia Brentsi biwa. Never na fatina. Me shada muhu. One or represent one. Munia. Akwaba. Miss Akwaba nje beji do then. Yeja, lovely, lovely. Now, Mr. Wu, in that many and say that we African dress day we school ha oyampa. Now, make sure what for the one and na represent one. Infantile, hey, mukromfo, lovely. What for this the infantile bago? Ana, mom too eh.
Ghana is my name. I go to school at Ames International School. I'm representing the business.
And this is Ames International School. Today is African Dress Day, and I'm representing the villagers Anglos. Alekenya Pala, Etoyado, and Binali.
All right, we are still at Names International School. I have these three lovely, adorable, traditionally, adorned, students here. Please say hi to my subscribers. Hi. All right. Okay, so please, what's your name? You said, what's your name? Latifa Mustafa. Latifa. And then, please, what's your name? The girl in the middle. What? Please, can you speak a little louder? Priscilla Mensah. Priscilla Mensah. My name is Yawapia Mensah. It means you have my name. Thank you very much. And what's your name too? Fidel. Fidels Idris. Okay, that is true. Okay, now let me ask Latifa Mustafa. Latifa, please, which tribe are you representing today? You are representing the Fafra. That's very true. I can see from your, adornment. That's very true. So, have you been to your hometown before? No. You've not been there, but you hope to go there soon. Very good. That's very good. You need to be there, right? That's basically the reason why we are doing this program. We need to know where we are coming from, Anambwa, the language you speak. So, can you speak Fafra? Can you speak a little bit of Fafra? Let's hear you. So, how do Fafra say maybe I'm hungry? Kontalma, lovely. In the mention of Fafra, also Kontalma children. Or I'm hungry. Or communism, lovely. Na you say raba what say say fin fan. Infanti Krodo. Lovely. Inti infanti phone na fati na ano ahye no hey. Who if your papa. Na e wo gina pena him. Basic 6. Gina pena 6 ya. Aha na within no boys of fraud them boy. Presla Mensa. Enyo Presla akwa ukrom da. Akwa order. Aha inti akwa afehye bi ana bibi dem wo ukrom da. Enko bibi dem da. But dachi bia no you get there when you abeje won dey boko ho na akohwe afehye na bibi dem anambwa. All right, Presla. Thank you very much. Mama share besi about you too hey. But you also what easy lovely. I think it's coming from the you are done in a northern region, style, right? Okay. Which part of northern region? Damango. Oh, okay. Damango. Have you been there before? You've been there before? That's very lovely. Okay, so one day, I hope to also be there myself. So thank you very much for coming to the channel. See you once again. Bye-bye. Hey, you put your hands up. Smile and look at me, all of you.
We are the people from the northern part of Ghana, Upper West, Upper East, and Northern region. I'm from Upper West, that's from so I speak Wale. It's from Savannah region, so you see Moja. They are from Damango. Yes, so where are you from? This is Nagongo. Where is the Katsina? Okay, so yes, so when you come to the north, especially go to the Upper West and Northern region. I don't know much about the Upper East, but Northern region and Upper West, we have something in common. We have what we call our power, which is done during the Damba Festival. And the Damba Festival, don't stop it, silence. Hey, the the Damba festival, there's two reasons for celebrating the into the palace, and secondly is to what? Celebrate the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So the bawa is very simple. We normally wear this. In my hometown, we call them Dagaparo. But in English, we call it smoke. Do you understand? And the dance is simple. So the song we are coming to dance right here, the title is Nuri, which means jealousy. Jealousy. So you go this. So you use here to dance. So
Categorizing ourselves into the northern people have done this, the Ewes have done this. Now it's time for the accounts. The accounts consist of different groups of tribes, not only the Asantis. The Fantis are also accounts. And what are they? The Zemes, the Fantis, the Asantis, we are all accounts. So we are putting all of them as one. Now we are going to tell you something small about the accounts. The favorite food for the accounts or the Asantis is okay. After I'll ask you questions. Start the first thing, we are going to tell you how the Asante belongs to established. Okay. First, about financial plantation, one at once. Farmers, like the treating goes to that, and the masses goes, the tree go dream. So the game, the name massive, the seven massive. That's why the capital town of Asante Kingdom is massive.
And in Ashanti region, the food that they like best is fish and toy.
Please, what are you representing? The accounts. To be specific, which of the accounts? Ashanti. Oh, okay. I can see. That's right. Guys, like we told you this morning, we came to Names International School for an edutaining program, educatively entertaining program, and the program was African Dress Day. African Dress Day, and it was very exciting. As you could see for yourselves, the students really had a lot to inform us with reference to educating us on specific tribes in the country. And this is where we bring the video to an end. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you find this video to be educative and informative. Please submit to us your thoughts and comments as we react to them. The name is Mr. Mensa, and this is Names International School African Dress Day. See you another time here on this channel with another interesting episode of fancy learning or educatively entertaining programs. Catch you another time. Bye bye.